Greetings, scholars. I want to take a few moments to talk to you about the documented outline. For the documented outline, you're going to use your general research outline that you should have already submitted to me. On this outline, you have your thesis statement, your topic sentences, and all of your support sentences for your research paper. Okay, you're going to take this outline and you're going to now add your research to the paper. So I'm going to switch to the documented outline. So look at this. Everywhere that I have research on my outline, you need research for your outline. For example, look at Roman numeral number 1, which is your thesis statement. You don't need to have research for this. So if I do not have it on my outline, don't put it on your outline. This is your thesis statement, Roman numerals 2, 3, 4. They are your supporting sentences for your thesis statement. So this is what we have to find research for. So look at Roman numeral number 2. You have a topic sentence that states that a state lottery will help to fund education in the state of Alabama. Well, how do you know that? What can you point to from your research that will support your topic sentence? Okay, you're going to set that information up for me in correct APA format. In the previous video, I covered APA format. You know you must have a signal phrase. You must give me the borrowed information, and you're going to give me the author's name along with the year in the parenthetical reference. So this should be a fairly easy assignment for you to do as far as figuring out what you need to put on the outline. What research do you need? If it's on my outline, then you need to find research for it. Your subpoints A, B, and C, these are all supporting points for your topic sentence, which is Roman numeral number 2. You need to find research to support your subpoints. How do you know these are good subpoints? Unless you can find information from your research to support this. So Roman numeral number 2 needs research. A, B, and C need research. D should just be your concluding sentence, and there should be no research there. Remember, when you look for research for your outline, if I don't have D, if I don't have research for D, you don't need research here for your D either. But I do have research. You can tell I have my signal phrase. I have my, I'm going to highlight it for you. I have my signal phrase. I have the note. In this case, a direct quote. And I have my source information highlighted in red. So if I have research for Roman numeral number 3, you need research for Roman numeral number 3. Also, remember this, for Roman numeral number 3, I used Miller for every piece, for every supporting point. For supporting point A, I used Miller. B, I used Miller. C, I used Miller, and that's perfectly all right. You know that you are going to use one source more than you'll use another source. So that's perfectly acceptable. Okay, just as long as you have support for your A, for your B, and for your C. I don't have any research for D because D is just the concluding sentence. And again, this should be pretty simple to follow. If I have research for the topic sentence and the supporting points A, B, C, you also need them. Look at Roman numeral number 5, which is your opposing view. There is no research here because this is technically a thesis statement. So Roman numeral number 6, I don't have research. Don't put research for Roman numeral number 6, but you do need research for the A, and you do need research for B. No research for number 7, but you do need research for A and B, and there is no research for Roman numeral number 8. Include your references on the documented outline so that I can quickly check and make sure that everything is as it is. Once you get the documented outline done, it's going to be fairly simple for you to go back and just write the research paper. Okay, uh, focus on getting this correct, getting your APA format correct, because once you do this, you should not have to worry about research when you write the paper. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Watch this video twice, 3 times if you need to. If you have any questions, just email me. I will be happy to answer your questions. Good writing to you. This assignment is due on November 9th at 11:59 p.m. You do have a late date that is indicated on Blackboard. Until the next video, be safe, and I will see you next week.